Hey yo, it's Chriso, the Skippy. I've just done this laundry floor. It's in the same house as I showed you before, the ensuite. Well, this is the oh well, no, it's not the laundry. It is the laundry, but it's going to be a bathroom as well. And now I'm just doing the toilet. It works out nicely, 3 tiles wide. It's brick fashion, the same as I've done that floor. So I'll just pop this on the head. I'll lay a few tiles, show you how it's done. It's all pretty basic when you're doing brick pattern. It's an in thing, so that mark there is 300. It's half a tile. Then I go a full tile here. So if I measure up or measure down, 300. Where's my pencil? Yep, in my sock. Slap a couple of clips in. I'll lay this, I'll run this glue out. It's Friday afternoon, so I'll mosey off home. I might just have to take a bit off. The wall board does a bit of a curve. So I'll trim a bit off with my saw. I don't have to be too fancy here because it's a wall toilet. It goes against the wall, so I go either side there. I don't even have to do the front. So I can just put in a couple of strips and it all gets covered with the toilet. So, yep, cool bananas. But I'll have to take that one out and give it a bit of a trim. Okay, well there's your, I'll just lay another tile. Quick and easy. Where is, for fuck's sake. It's cool. It's a little, the walls are a little bit bendy, but that's all right. It's all good. I'll pop those wedges in and then I can adjust it some more. And when your wedges are in, it stays in place Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye.